kami raw ay Inglesera. Abay, syempre, sabi ko, natural Inglesera. Inglesera plus Inglesera equals, ano?
Hindi, sabi mo kasi social ka, social ako. Kaya equal,
Ingitera?
Ingitera.
Inglesera! Inglesera!
Para lang yung jellyfish.
Oo.
Naging jelly ace.
Sabi niya,
Jellyfish pala yun.
Day, meron ditong jelly ace.
Oh, jellyfish! Hindi
jellyfish.
ko nakinig. Jellyfish!
Inulit,
Pagdating niya, jelly ace.
inulit pa niya. Jelly ace pala. Jellyfish!
Jellyfish!
Hindi, sabi jellyface. Yawa. Ay, nako. Babay na nga sa inyo. Malungkot dito eh. It's not funny here.
Yeah.
Parang ano lang. Parang
It's like a people's park.
people park lang talaga siya na
It's a very
you can
it's not
swim.
It's not like you're not enjoying here because everybody is
Sige.
like
Sige. We're gonna try. May challenge tayo. English challenge. No Tagalog.
walang
No.
ano dito, basher, bawal basher dito.
No Tagalog, no Nihongo, only English. Okay.
Okay.
Start.
I got it.
What?
Look, everybody's
So-
eating because it's time of the lunch now.
It's lunchtime.
It's lunch time. O, di ba? Ikaw na magbalik-baliktad.
So,
Puzzle yun, kaya kailangan ayun yun.
I told you, no Tagalog.
I'm sorry.
No Tagalog.
I forgot.
Only English. Our tema for today is English.
It's me.
English menu. Try to speak yourself.
Don't order Tagalog. Don't order
No
Nihongo.
Nihongo. No Filipino, because we are foreigners.
What?
Foreigners in this island.
Parang Avengers.
We are the foreigners na hook in this island. Oh, tingnan mo. Look at them. They are all busy. Busy running. Busy with their picnic. Eating their lunch.
Yeah, it's because
And
it's lunchtime.
doing their fishing.
So
And now-
we're going to tunnel
We're approaching the tunnel.
under the mountain.
The darkest.
From the light.
From the light to the dark.
people out of the
You can
the light.
enter the dark side of tunnel. This tunnel is just about how many meters?
It's 1 meter only.
1 meter. How many meters are you? It's 100
Some
meters.
meters like this. Oh, how many meters that?
I think it's 100. Ayun na siya. Look at that. Oh. There is a letter here for us. May bayad daw. Wakwen.
Ako mag-picture ka dito?
Ito meron parang auto na. Pag dito ba naman sa maliwanag? Ewan ko lang. Baka dun. May ano dun parang may nakasulat na auto na Guhakwen, Kodomo, Ihakwen. Yun na nga. Pero look at that, it's very clear and clear and bright.
And there's nothing people there.
The people is
talking.
the people is
light.
it's
The people is
over
coming, but
there, but you can't see. You can't see the light. The light.
in the light.
Sige. Follow me until we reach the The sunlight?
The enter.
There is light also here.
The outside. Out of the tunnel.
The end of the tunnel is, there is light after the tunnel.
Because the sun is coming.
Yeah, because the sun will follow us. Follow me, follow me. Pang, you know, where?
Ganyan-ganyan pa, oh.
What is that?
Kung sakay ka ng ganyan,
Ano yan?
pwede ka mag-ano-ano.
Dito yan?
Dito yan eh. Ayan oh. Nagka-ano dito.
Anong lugar?
Camping. Ayan oh, sasakay ka sa ganyan.
Dito ba?
Oo,
As
ito
in
nga,
dito?
yan eh. Ewan ko saan yan.
Di yata dito yan eh.
Ayan oh. Camping, ano daw. O, 1 minute.
Ah, doon sa dulo. Baka doon pa. Baka doon sa kanina nakita natin marami, di ba sabi ko sa'yo doon sa ano, maraming sasakyan? Oo. Kasi ano doon eh, parang may camping. Ayun, may sasakyan oh. Ayun oh. Ayun.
Ayun pala.
Ayun, dito nga. Oh. Bakit? May bala kang sumakay?
Si ano, si Mario. Mario Kart.
Ah, parang Pilipino yun, sasalita.
Pilipino.
Parang narinig kong,
Ano sabi mo? Ano mo?
saan kayo? Parang, pakinggan mo. What do you think? Thinking of me? Thinking of you.
Wait, nakita niya tayo yung sasakyan niya, diba?
Oo, baka tayo yung ma-amaze. It's amazing! Ganon. Saan ba yung sasakyan natin? Yung Benz. Ay, tingin tayo doon. O, anong meron doon?
Yung sports ko nandun.
Yung sports car.
Yung sports ko nandun.
Let's try doon, no? Baka parang may nagpipiknik din doon eh. Parang sarap magpiknik dito. Sa
Yun
sa,
nga yata yung sa gilid ng garden.
oo, Bayside. Parang dito pwede mag
Ayan o, Kato.
barbecue.
Kato ride.
Pwede kayong mag-barbecue. Yan o. Maluwag ang park, maluwag ang parking, tsaka free ang parking here. Yan, dyan, sasakay ka. Yan o. Pwede ka naman sumakay. You can rent your own. Rent to own. Pwede ka mag-rent to own. Ay, be, maganda nga dito mag-ano, be. Mag-picnic. Look at them, oh. They have their mat, their baons, o bento. And, can we stay here for a while na lang? Tingnan mo. Dapat may payong tayong malaki, no? Ayun, may mga tent din doon sa unahan. Park. Diba? Look at here, oh. Kaya meron dito. May pangingisda pa rin ng kabuhayan ng tao dito, eh. Pangingisda pa rin. Ay, ano? Tingnan ko. Ay, Pilipina. Ay, wala din, be. Ganon din. Pangingisda rin ng kabuhayan.
Dito na ako, ano ko muna to.
Gaano ka?
Ayan o, lake na lang to. Hindi naman
Wala. Nandito kami sa, sa lawa daw. Lawa ba? Lawa. Pero, wow! Ang masarap dito picnic talaga. Doon sa gilid-gilid ka lang. Oh. Di ba?
Kung guys, sa baba mo.
Pagulong-gulong ka doon.
Para malikot ka, maligas din sa baba.
Ito, oh, dito, oh, sa...
Diba? Ang ganda rito.
Pwede ka dito, oh.
Vanilla ice,
Look at that. So, sila nga, oh, nagde-date sila, oh, yung mga seniors. Senior citizen of Japanese. Na, look at them. Oh, di ba? Hello. Sana all may kalabing. Hilata. Hilata lang. Ganun ba?